Well guys, it is that time again. I need to deep clean every single corner of my apartment. Some rooms are worse than others, but I need a thorough deep clean. I need to pick everything up, get organized, and really polish up all of the surfaces because it looks pretty gross. I'm starting downstairs with my room, vanity room, and bathroom because that part of my apartment is the absolute worst. So let's get to it. I have a lot to get to. Okay, so I have to start in here. My room hasn't looked this bad in so long. I don't even want to give any excuses. I just want to start cleaning and get it back to normal. This is why I make my bed first, because it already makes the rest of the room look a lot better. And now I have a lot to go. I've been putting away clean clothes for hours, but this is the last of the laundry, and this is like the main part of my room I needed to do. This dresser gets dirty so fast. I always end up just putting everything on it, so this is kind of the last main part of my room I need to clean. I really need to organize, but I just want to like get everything cleaned off first. This is kind of a funny angle because you guys are looking at me in the mirror, but it looks so much better in here. I got all of the laundry picked up. I got my bed made with fresh sheets. Everything looks so good, so now it's time to clean. I actually need to vacuum and mop the floors, clean the rugs, wipe down all the surfaces, all of that to finally like finish cleaning everything in here. And honestly, I always prefer this part. Like putting everything away for me is way worse than actually cleaning and polishing everything up, because this is like what actually feels like the deep clean. Like this is what transforms the room. I know. I'm sorry, I know. So next I'm going to use this water vacuum to clean my rug, and this rug is actually washable, but if I put it in the wash machine, I'm gonna have to wait like an entire day for it to air dry. So I just much rather use this. It's much faster and easier. And you're not gonna like this either. I'm not done. I know, I'm not done yet. Okay, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I did not realize how dirty this rug was. This half I haven't done at all, and then this is the clean side. And look how much detail is here that I can't even see because it looks like almost faded with how dirty it is on that side. Like that does not look the same as that. So that looks good. And also I love using this machine. It is so satisfying. All right, right, so here is what my room looks like now. What a transformation. It looks so much better. Like, the best part is I can walk around without stepping on anything. I am honestly so happy that we started with that first, because cleaning my room is kind of what influenced me doing this entire video. Like, it was just a disaster. So now I'm feeling so much better that that's done. Next, I just want to really quickly clean off my vanity. This is actually the only mess I don't mind. I kind of love this mess. I filmed a couple videos in here and I went out last night, so it just needs to be cleaned immediately. Yeah, I don't mind this mess at all. It's actually a fun mess. Get one of those glass tops for this because I just don't want it to get like damaged and scratched up, but I'm trying to keep it clean in the meantime. But that's been on my list for a while, so I still really want to do that. Okay, so next we are gonna move on to my bathroom. And it is so bad. It's honestly embarrassing. Like, every single corner of this bathroom is just super messy, gross, needs to be cleaned immediately. I don't even want to talk about it. It's so bad. I just have no words. It's looking disgusting. So this is what we're gonna do next. And once this is done, I'm gonna move to the upstairs because I've pretty much done the entire downstairs. All right, and now it's time to actually clean this up. I'm also gonna clean my boyfriend's side. Next, I'm gonna do this mirror and then I'm gonna start to put all of the products back on the countertop. But it looks like insanely good in here. I feel like the countertops and the sinks are already sparkling. So I'm so glad we did that. And I'm also washing all of the white bathroom rugs that are in here because they get dirty so fast, which is weird because I usually am stepping on them most when I come right out of the shower and I'm the cleanest. So I don't know how they get dirty so fast, but. Okay, this looks like 20 times better. I am so happy we did that. I don't know why I always wait until it gets so bad to finally clean it, but I've been needing to do that for a while, so I'm so glad we did. It is like sparkling in here, and I love the smell of cleaner once you use it. I'm also gonna take all of this dirty laundry upstairs, and these two are my robes. I really need to get wall hooks to hang these up, because right now I just hang them right on this towel bar, but I'm gonna do a ton of laundry and wash all of this stuff. See what's in there? I honestly hate doing this part, but next I'm gonna clean the shower. The glass also gets dirty so fast. I'm also taking out these shower shelves that I've had in since I moved into this apartment. I really liked these, but they got so disgusting, and I didn't even notice until a couple days ago. They got so moldy and nasty, especially on like the stickers that hold up the shelves. So I decided to just toss these and get a whole new set. They also just weren't holding all of the products I use in the shower. These were actually so hard to take off. And then I'm scrubbing the tile and the glass in the shower to completely clean everything, so that way when I put up my new shower shelves, we're starting with a clean base. So we are gonna head upstairs and clean the kitchen and the living room, and hopefully it turns out as good as this downstairs part did, because oh my god, the before and after, I'm very happy with this. I hope it stays like this forever. Like, I say it every single time I clean my apartment this thoroughly, but I never want it to get that bad again. I want it to stay this nice all the time. It just makes everything look so much better, makes me feel better, like I can think better, so I'm loving it. And my little salt lamp nightlight, so cute. It never really gets to be too much of a mess. I mainly want to start with this carpet. So I have this white rug. I love this rug, but I also hate this rug. And the reason isn't even that it's white. Like, a lot of people kind of looked at me funny when I bought a white rug for my apartment because it obviously gets dirty so fast. But what I really have a problem with is the long hairs on it. It is just so hard to clean. It takes forever to clean too. So like, you see this difference? Like, it looked like this is the part that the couch covers. It's so soft and nice right here, and then it goes to not nice and very dirty. You can really see how dirty it is. Can you see that? Even Theodore can see it. So I have been watching a bunch of TikToks on the best way to clean rugs like this, and honestly, I just want to use what I have. I don't want to go out and buy like something specific to clean this. So I have that water vacuum I was using downstairs, and I have a regular vacuum. So I am literally just gonna spend pretty much the entire day trying to clean this as best as I can, and it's gonna take forever because I'm gonna go in very small sections at a time, but it has to be done. Like, it's just dirty, and this is like a big focal point in my living room, so I want it to look nice. Okay, it looks even worse on camera. Oh my god. You can literally see the line. If you needed the proof that it needs to be done, here it is. I also just got this vacuum, so I think we're gonna try to use this one also. I'm like, is this really doing anything? Like, I kind of see a difference here, but not really, until I look in the vacuum at the super dirty water. Like, this is what it looked like before, like just the cleaner with the water. And this is what it looks like now. Like, it is disgusting. So obviously it is doing something. I just have to keep at it, but it is taking out a lot of dirt. So I'm really happy about that. I'm like sitting here like this for like so damn long, and my arm is starting to hurt, and I'm like, is this really doing anything? Like, I can't even tell just looking right in front of me. But then I look in here and I'm like, okay, like that's what I needed to see, because it is actually doing something. And this is just from one little section, so I'm gonna keep going. I turned on a show so that I could literally just sit here and do this for the next like hour. Ew, so gross. I'm excited for some progress on this rug. It needs this so badly. All right, round two. also gonna be straightening out the couch. I'm gonna be getting all of the lint off and like this pilling that's happening. I have this little pilling machine and it is so satisfying to use on my couch. It makes it look so new after I'm done getting all these little balls off. Okay, so honestly, I finally feel really good about where the living room is at. It looks so much better than it did before. I spent hours on that rug. Like, my back is hurting so bad after doing all of that, but it looks so much better. So I'm so glad I finally got all of that done. And honestly, my living room hasn't looked that good in a while, so I'm feeling very good about it. And next we are gonna move on to the kitchen. Surprisingly, the kitchen isn't looking too bad, honestly. Like, I've actually kept it relatively clean, which is very surprising for me, because usually the kitchen is the absolute worst room in the entire apartment. Like, I just hate doing dishes more than anything. So typically the kitchen is like the most work. If you are sitting in a messy room right now, this is your sign to clean. I gotta hold myself accountable and really keep my space like looking amazing all the time. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon. Bye! Mwah.